Hi, I'm Mason Hall and I go to Frankfort High School. Welcome to KYA2, and I hope it has been a great experience so far. And I hope that everyone that can come back next year. And we have had a lot of things going on throughout the Capitol, at the House and the Senate, and at the hotel with all the committees and bills and everything. And everyone has been working very tirelessly on their bills, and the media corps has been working, and all of the officers have been working for everything. And let's have a look at it.
It is very possible to regain this money by searching for goods that are tax exempt that may be shipped. Women spend an average of $120 a year on feminine hygiene products and $20 a year on related over-the-counter products. This adds up to be about $5,600 in a lifetime. The savings from removing tax may not seem to be much, but for some it makes a substantial difference. Consider low-income families, where in many cases there is a single mother as the head of the household with more than one daughter. The cost can add up. Even still, we are most bothered by the principle behind the tax. We hope you will join us in taking another step towards gender equality.
Time to vote on this bill. It's time to vote on bill number 48. Your keeper, please seal the chamber. All of those in favor, please raise your placard and say aye.
Kentucky from the rest of the United States. Though it may not affect you directly, the indirect effect it has is great. Primary elections are open doors to our American politics, and starting point, 4 years, one person leaving our country, but for many voters, they are unable to get through these open doors, barred from entering, barred from speaking.
I'm sorry, but your time has elapsed. It is now time to vote on this bill. Doorkeeper, please fill the chamber. All those in favor, please raise your placard and say aye. Aye. All those opposed, like sign.
That was a great job during the House and the Senate. Now let's move over to our field reporters going around asking random delegates American history questions.
Hello, my name is Elvin Wagner with the University Heights Academy. I am here with Ryan Scharf. Ryan, what is the month we vote for president?
The month we vote for president's November. It is inaugurated in January.
Thank you very much, and you are correct. Hi, this is Elvin Wagner from the University Heights Academy. I'm here with Grace Powers. Grace, who is the leader of the executive branch?
I'm the president.
You are correct, so good job.
Okay, is that it?
Yes, that's it.
Oh, thanks.
Hi, I'm Mason Hall from Frankfort High School, and here we have Josh. Josh, where is Mount Rushmore at?
Montana. Or it's Oregon.
Well, you are incorrect. It is South Dakota. Hi, I'm Mason Hall from Frankfort High, and here with me is Joey. What is the first three words in the Constitution?
God bless America.
So I hope you all got a good laugh from that. So now you've all seen candidates walking around. Let's take a dive into their actual campaigns and see what they're going for.
Hi, I'm Charles Vincent, here with Elizabeth Boiler. And why did you run as a candidate?
Well, actually, it all started with my mom actually ran for KYA when she was younger, and she ran in middle school, and she actually got the governor position. And then my grandfather, who's also a state legislator for Kentucky, so they've kind of inspired me to get into the political aspect. And I really just want to be a leader, and I really hope to make a change.
Alrighty. And Elizabeth, what are your platforms?
My platforms are education, pollution, and healthcare. And education, I would like to incorporate more foreign languages in our school. Our healthcare, I would like to legalize physician-assisted euthanasia. And pollution, I would like to regulate the effects of coal mining.
Okay, and how will KYA benefit under your guidance?
Well, I believe that I'm a very good listener in general, so I like to take in other people's opinions and learn from it. So I really like to hear what other people have to offer and try and incorporate them the best I can.
Alrighty. Thank you, Elizabeth.
Thank you. Don't touch me.
Alrighty, I'm Charles Vincent, here with Addison McCown. And what makes you a different candidate than all the others?
I believe I'm a different candidate than others because I, as well as other candidates, really are in this as a we effort, not a me. But I think that since I have some experience with leadership, I was chief of staff last year, greatest 3 days of my life. I think that I can do a really good job, and I'm not scared to speak my mind, and I want to make Kentucky even more beautiful than it already is.
Alrighty, what are your platforms?
So my platforms include foster care reform, the opioid epidemic, and the road qualities in Kentucky.
Alrighty, and how will you benefit KYA?
I think if elected, I will benefit KYA by making sure everyone has a voice, and I will encourage everyone to speak because it is important to voice your opinion because your voice matters in Kentucky. And yeah.
Alrighty, thank you, Addison.
Thank you.
I hope you've all had a great time here at KYA. It's been real. Thank you. Next.